Hi guys, today we are going to create natural looking makeup. For preparing my skin, I am using Maybelline Pore Eraser primer and applying through my face. I got pigmented face, so I am using Pro Concealer Color Corrector and blending that out with a Real Technique sponge. For fixing my concealer, I am using MAC Studio Foundation in the shade MC30. Foundation needs to be matched with your skin tone. It should not be light or dark. And blending that with a sponge. Make sure your foundation is evenly distributed all around your face, so it will not appear cakey or. For setting my foundation, I am using MAC Studio Foundation Powder and applying all over my face to set my foundation with the Fiber Dew brush. Let's start with the eyebrow makeup. For that, I am using Rejoice Eyebrow Palette in the shade Dark and applying through a brush which is provided in the palette. Let's start with the eye makeup. For eyeshadow, I am using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, in which I am using Breeze and White and 2 dark shades of brown. As we are giving natural look, we are using brown colors. For priming my eyes, I am using Urban Decay primer and spreading with the finger so it gets distributed all over my eyelid. Let's start with the eyeshadow. First, I am going to use a skin color eyeshadow from corner of my outer line to inward. I am dragging my brush from outward to inward direction so that it gives you nice definition to your eyelid. And after that, I am using dark shade of brown color. And same method I am using to distribute my eyeshadow. For blending eyeshadow, I am using narrow brush. I am taking the same color to apply lower lash line of eyelid from outward direction to inward direction. I am using a Real Technique eye makeup brush to apply eyeshadow to lower lash line. With the same color, I am applying to corner of my eyelid to make a eyeliner. As we are not going to apply eyeliner for eye makeup today, this will act as an eyeliner for us, and it looks really really good and give you appearance as smoky eye. Make sure you blend your product nicely. Makeup is all about blending your product on your face properly. For contouring, I am using Benefit Hoola bronzer, and we'll start with corner of my forehead, jawline, and to my cheekbones. As I'm not looking for really intense contouring, we just want to define our face so that it doesn't look blank. I'm running my brush from outward direction to inward direction towards earline. With the same bronzer, I'm contouring my nose, my lips, and the chin area. This is a very nice product for giving you light definition. Benefit Hoola, I really like this product. As you can see, it's really give you softened look and define your face. Now we are going to highlight with the Urban Decay highlighter with the help of thin brush. You really don't need so much of brushes, but I do have, hence I am using it. This is a fan brush and it helps to distribute the product like highlighter in very small quantity, hence I'm using this brush. Either you can use your finger also. For blush, I'm using cream blush as we have applied lots of powder makeups, hence I have gone through cream blush. This will get black and it doesn't gives you dusky look. It will set all your makeup. Make sure you blend your blush properly. Next I'm using Morphe brown lipstick. Goes very good with this makeup look. You can use any brown lipstick, doesn't matter what brand you are using. In the last, I'm going to define my eyes with the Illamasqua mascara. I like this mascara for daily use because it does not give you really a prominent eyelashes. It gives you very natural looking at it. It just lifts your eyelashes. As we are not using eyeliner, I'm going to use fake eyelashes. In my next tutorial, I will show you how to wear fake eyelashes because it's time taking. This is the whole look which I have wear today, and you can use long earrings with this makeup, or this is very classy makeup you can use. Thank you for watching my video. Do let me know how do you find this video and what do you think about it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.